Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. In this quick video, I'm going to show you the location and give you some information on your Bank 1 Sensor 2 oxygen sensor on a 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord. Located in the exhaust stream right under the vehicle before the second catalytic converter that has no monitoring at all, so don't worry about that, cat. You're going to find your Bank 1 Sensor 2 oxygen sensor. What this does, this oxygen sensor only monitors the efficiency of the catalytic converter, and if this one goes bad for some reason, it should not affect the drivability of your vehicle. If you do need to replace this, make sure you get an NTK replacement that is a direct fit. Never get a splice in, that's just going to give you more problems. And the tool that you need, this is my favorite socket, my oxygen sensor socket. It's a shallow, it's like a crow's foot. What it does is it slides over the oxygen sensor, grabs on, and just makes removal and installation an ease. Inside here is a star pattern, so a 1/2 inch socket wrench could fit in there in multiple directions. Just makes it real easy to do. Now, if you have a heater circuit code, I would think that your oxygen sensor has gone bad and I would recommend replacing this. If you have a catalyst efficiency below threshold code, I would think, especially if you have over 100,000 miles, that the catalytic converter is actually going bad, and I would recommend at that time replacing the catalytic converter and this oxygen sensor at the same time. If you're in California, New York, or other heavily regulated emission states, make sure you get a CARB compliant or EPA compliant catalytic converter that's for your vehicle so you don't go fail smog with the wrong catalytic converter. Now, if this video helped you out, make sure to comment below with the year, make, and model of your vehicle. Let other people know that this video did help you out. I'll see you guys in the next hopefully helpful video. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies.